It's a 283 67 Impala. The interior is actually not too bad. Quarter panel. Pretty rusted out. Beautiful car though. Make our way back here. There's another 67 Impala over there. I think that's a 327. There's a Corvair here. Looks like maybe a dirt track car. Oh my gosh. Look at these giant tires. And then the exhaust pipe coming out the door. That's really cool. Only 2 gauges. That's really cool. What does this say? Something auto repair. Got a motorcycle. Whatever kind of motorcycle that is. Looks like we got a cover to a motorcycle. Front. Chicken wire. There's a bunch of cars back here. Abandoned since the early 80s. To my knowledge, that's when they were last parked. What is this? I don't know what kind of car this is. What is this? Plate. Old plate. Can't see what it says. I don't know what that manufacturer is. $1987. Well, that car's been sitting here for a while. Is the door unlocked? No, it's locked. The interior, though, literally looks pretty brand new. There's a motorcycle light or something in there. Or I don't know what that is. Wow, the seats look really good. 1987. What is this car? Really cool. And another car right, well, there's 2 cars right here actually. We have a Malibu sitting on the frame of some other car. Let's see. Red on red, red exterior, red interior. That's actually a really nice looking interior. Cloth seats. When was this car last on the road? Can you see it? I don't know what that says. Maybe it has a plate on it. Oh, we got another car right here. Steering wheel. That's great. Okay, it's got no front plate. So this was a junkyard from the 60s, 70s, and 80s. It was abandoned in the 80s. We just got a bunch of cars sitting back here. There's some Corvairs. So you got 3 Corvairs. I don't know what the story is on these cars. This one's not a race car, it's just a normal Corvair. It's got an interior, it's pretty terrible looking. It's all ratted out. Another Corvair over there. Kind of difficult to get to. It's kind of snaky out here. It's a good looking Corvair. Man, look at the damage on that thing over there. Got a quarter panel over here or something. Was that a Corvair panel? Got another car over there. A frame at least. It's another 67 Impala here. This one's been off the road since 1982. Well, that's really old. This one's got a 327 in it. This one doesn't have any body damage except for the roof is caved in. But look at the interior. Interior's pretty complete. Looks like it's got a vinyl interior, bench seat. Peek through a little crevice here. Really cool car. Just left to sit. There we go. 327. Chevy. Impala. Got multiple parts of a car over here. You got a front clip over there. Got an engine right here. Ford V8. It's a 65 pickup. Last off the road since 1976.